Hey everybody, I'm Sean Hyson, Editor-in-Chief of Onnit, and I'm here to talk today about 6 exercises to strengthen your chest with dumbbells. Dumbbells may be low tech, but they're an excellent way to work your chest. They allow a greater range of motion than a barbell does, so you can activate more of your pec muscle fibers. Dumbbells also allow freedom of motion, which means your arms can travel in a path that they want to naturally, and you can't get that from a barbell or pressing machine either. That's a feature that makes dumbbell training easier on your joints and more comfortable in general. Number 1, slight incline dumbbell bench press. We're all familiar with the classic dumbbell bench press exercise, but elevating the bench slightly to around 30 degrees will allow you to activate more of the clavicular head of the pec major muscle. That's more upper chest, which is a common weak point in a lot of people. The incline also puts you in a better position to push into the floor with your legs, which allows you to lift a little bit heavier. Step 1, incline your bench to 30 degrees or less. You can do this by sliding some mats or weight plates underneath the head of the bench, just to give it a little bit of an angle. Now lie back on the bench, holding 2 weights above your chest. Step 2, slowly lower the weights to your chest, bringing your arms down at a 45-degree angle to your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you go down. Step 3, pause in the stretched position and then flex your pecs as you press the weights back up. Number 2, incline fly press. Standard dumbbell flies can be hard on the shoulder joints. By combining the fly motion with a pressing motion, you get the best of both worlds, maximizing stress on the pecs while taking pressure off the shoulder joints. Step 1, set the bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle and grasp 2 dumbbells with palms facing each other. Lie back on the bench with your arms overhead. Step 2, slowly lower the dumbbells directly at your sides, simultaneously bending your elbows and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Stop when you feel a good stretch in your chest. Step 3, reverse the movement, straightening your arms as you contract your pecs and bring the dumbbells back to the starting position. Number 3, squeeze press. Crushing the dumbbells together when you press forces the pecs to contract hard in the shortened position. This makes them a good complement to other fly and pressing movements where the weights lower past your chest, which emphasizes the lengthened position of the muscles. Step 1, lie back on a bench holding 2 dumbbells in your hands, palms facing each other. Press the dumbbells together at the center of your chest as hard as you can. Step 2, keeping the dumbbells pressed together, push them over your chest to arm's length. Pause for a moment, squeezing your chest muscle. Step 3, slowly reverse the movement, returning to the start position. Here's a tip for you. If you have bands, attach them to each of the dumbbells so that they're pulling the weights away, and your chest will have to work even harder to keep them pressed together. Number 4, fly press. Like the incline fly press, the flat bench version works the pecs hardest in the lengthened position. You'll be able to go heavier on this press than on the incline fly press. Step 1, lie back on a bench holding 2 dumbbells over your chest with palms facing inward. Step 2, lower the dumbbells directly out to your sides, simultaneously bending your elbows and squeezing your shoulder blades together until your chest is comfortably stretched and your elbows are at about a 90-degree angle. If you experience shoulder pain in the fully stretched position, just limit the range of motion. Step 3, reverse the movement, contracting your pecs while you straighten your elbows until you're back in the upright position. Number 5, 45-degree dumbbell floor press. The floor press works similarly to the squeeze press, working the pecs in the shortened position. Because the range of motion is limited, resulting in little stretch on the shoulders, it's a good option for people with shoulder pain. Step 1, lie back on the floor holding dumbbells over your chest at arm's length. You can either lie back from the sitting position while holding the dumbbells or have a partner hand the weights to you. Rotate your wrists so that the thumb sides of your hands are closer together than your pinkies. This is your starting position. Step 2, lower the weights, keeping your elbows close to your sides until your triceps lightly contact the floor. Step 3, press the weights back to the starting position. Number 6, feet up, slight decline dumbbell bench press. Pressing on a slight decline works the shoulders in a neutral position. The decline angle allows you to hit more of the sternal pec muscle fibers, and it's a good position for going as heavy as you can in. This is the safest kind of dumbbell press to load up on. Step 1, elevate the foot of the bench on some weight plates, a mat, or a sturdy box. Step 2, lie back on the bench, holding dumbbells at arm's length, and place your feet on the bench. Step 3, slowly lower the dumbbells to your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together on the descent. Step 4, pause in the stretched position and then press the dumbbells back to the starting position. For a full comprehensive article on dumbbell workouts, click the link in the description below. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to our channel. And for more content, click up here.